The MLA of South Shillong constituency, Sanbor Shullai, had gathered engineers of the PWD department to initiate the repairing of the dilapidated road at LABAN. Speaking to the media, Sanbor Shullai expressed his anger and disappointment at all those who have been criticizing the functioning of the office of his as MLA as far as his constituency is concerned. Shullai added that the critics have nothing better to do but to laze around and point fingers at everyone else. Sanbor Shullai further urged upon all such members of the public to do their homework and find out the ground reality of many matters before they are able to criticize the work of other people.
What will happen? You should why you blame on Jai. The I began to work and let you go Taba. Canteen Parangong, little knowledge is dangerous. What yellow politics? That tip yaga ground reality. What you nang taman can talk. They ban yaro. That you know what you million taka can talk. So I rugi yaro about in tip what is happening. Man usnem ngasushim minia cake baja manchim stem cake baja hapo manalaban. Hangna manalaban katoy. Kalau tua kata maran football dan bok ikong itu ilat nak jing yap ke ba ratap kedukan ni bailet step balik simpiang ha te hadu ko por pludi bat polis bat isteng miet ila ji slap kilo kan thomi kitia ada jitia mangi bro simiet bat ka ji arab jong government nio ban ke pludi ka wara ji sibi pludi bepli la ji lut ki municipal ke forest department la ji lut